Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Mayo, successful online entrepreneur and CEO of the Elite Smart Card. And I have a special for you today. So today I'm having a Black Friday sale, as you can see. And all you have to do is join Royalty today and receive the Elite Smart Card for free. That's right. You join Royalty today, $87, okay? And you will receive the Elite Smart Card for free. Okay, this card will allow you to be able to share your contact information or any information that you want, for that matter, videos, your music online, SoundCloud, iTunes, social media profiles, you name it. Okay, you get to share it instantly by just tapping the phone on any compatible smartphone, and instantly your information pops up. All right, so again, Black Friday sale today only. Okay, actually, let's make it the whole weekend. Okay, you get in this weekend only, and I will send you a free Elite Smart Card just for joining Royalty today. All right. So what are you waiting for? Go get started. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell as well so you get notified when I do these videos. And also, if you're ready to get started, then you can hit the link below, elitesmartcard.com, and do so. Or if you have questions, then you know I have answers. Call me 619-306-9453. Until next time, have a blessed day.